globally, it appears something in the range of 40 to 60 million tons of nanoparticles are being dispersed annually in skies all over the globe. And the smaller the particle, the more toxic it is, the more harmful it is, the more bioavailable it is. And all the official air quality testing by design doesn't even look for these elements, let alone disclose them. So official air quality testing is PM10, 10 microns, occasionally PM2.5. Those are boulders compared to a nanoparticle. You can fit up to 100,000 nanoparticles across the width of a single human hair. They're inconceivably small. And the reason they use such small particles is because they stay aloft longer. And that's the goal. Keep the particles suspended in the atmosphere. And there's more volumetric forcing. There's more surface area the smaller the particle for a given amount of material. So it appears, and we have a published study on this, there is a peer-reviewed published study that implicates coal fly ash as a base material for these operations because it contains many of the elements the climate engineers feel they need to disperse in our skies, and it provides plausible deniability, and it gets rid of a waste product that they're always trying to get rid of. There's other elements added. American Elements Corporation appears to be one of the primary suppliers for these operations. But again, the fact that this can go on in our skies and the mountain of data that exists on this and the continued pretending by the so-called climate science community that this is ongoing is mind-numbing, and they won't be able to hide this for much longer, Tucker. I want to stress that. These programs will be forced to light. And if I could end with this, when those pretend, again, like the Wikipedia definition you read, that this is some sort of an outlandish conspiracy, let's go all the way back to 1962. 63 years ago, President Lyndon Johnson on film, on the record, ranting like a lunatic. It's the first 30 seconds of the weekly commercial-free, non-political Geoengineering Watch national broadcast we put on radios out of our stations out of our pocket across the country. But the first 30 seconds is this film footage of Johnson stating we had the power to control the world's cloud layer then, and quote, "He who controls the weather controls the world." How far have they come since?